Okay, so the best automated webinar tool in the world. Okay, I have been using a tool called EverWebinar. Okay, and just imagine that you are generating sales 24 into 7. Okay, without any work. Okay, you set up a webinar once and it is working for you 24 into 7. And also imagine you get statistics of your webinar like this. Like you can see. Who watched your webinar, from which reason, what devices they use, and there are many more graphs, many more stats you can see, okay, in your of your webinar. So all these things are possible through a world class quality tool. I have been using many, I use many tools, but the best I have found is EverWebinar. Okay, and there are many digital marketers who are using the same. I suggest you to go to this link, dnaclub.in/webinar jam, and if you directly visit their website, you will get only 14 days trial. But if you visit my link, this is my affiliate link, I'm giving this clickable link in the video description as well. You will get actually 30 days trial. Okay, 30 days trial for just $1. Okay, I suggest you to go ahead with this plan, basic plan, 500 attendees, and you can start with $1, and monthly it is $99. So you can go ahead with a monthly plan, or maybe you can convert it into annual as well. Okay, so you get live webinar using webinar jam, and also you can convert a live webinar into automated webinar, okay, using EverWebinar. So you get both in this, and the maximum people who can attend the webinar is 500, which is a very good limit. Okay, 500 participants. So if you take webinar mode of Zoom, it is much more costly. Okay, I think this is very affordable. Okay, and also we can automate, and we can give a real life experience feeling. Okay, because in webinar, if you want to convert sales, okay, you need both environment and education. So you are giving good education, but what about the environment? Okay, so imagine you can actually show some messages, live messages, chat messages on the webinar. So it will give an impression like it is going on live. Okay, so my example, okay, this is a landing page which I have created using one of my, this is one of my webinar. Okay, and this entire landing page I created using EverWebinar, you can see. Okay, and then I will give you the demo about how I created it. Okay, so this text, then this text, the hook, okay, then this small text, and then this is a poster, and then about the webinar, and then the time, okay, when this webinar is going to start. So I can actually schedule it, okay, twice a day, thrice a day, whatever I want. And also I can give an option to watch just in time, or maybe also to watch yesterday's replay. Okay, so all these things we can do. Okay, so this is a very good looking landing page. Another landing page I want to show to you is this. This is another landing page, again I created using EverWebinar. So I'm just giving you some samples. Okay, this is another one. Okay, you can see you can watch yesterday's replay, or maybe you can watch next show. Okay, here is another one. Okay, let me show you the another one. This is the another webinar, and you can see roadmap. Okay, so I am basically into network marketing, affiliate marketing, and consulting and coaching business. So I'm doing multiple business thanks to this amazing tool. Okay, so you can see, right? So how I am doing it is I'm using let me give you a quick demo. By the way, just click on the link in this video description and get started with just $1. Okay, and let me log in through my account. So in my case, I have actually stopped using Webinar Jam. I'm using only EverWebinar. Okay, I'm paying $499 annually. It is very affordable. Okay, and I'm using only automated webinars. Okay, so if I click on Access, okay, so if I want to add a new webinar, so what I do, all these are the webinars running 24 into 7. Okay, if I want to add a new webinar, I just have to click on Add Webinar. Okay, and there are two options. I can use external video file, okay, or maybe I can use previously run or previously played live webinar session in Webinar Jam. So there are some webinars which I did, okay, when I was using Webinar Jam. So these are the some of the live webinars. So suppose if I click this one, so it is going to which event I did in the live webinar using Webinar Jam. I can pick it from here, or maybe I can use an external video file. So in this case, I can use YouTube video, or maybe Vimeo video. Okay, so YouTube. The problem with using YouTube is during the webinar, people can see that this is a YouTube video. They can see the YouTube logo there. Okay, so and you cannot remove it. Okay, there are some workarounds, but those are not very useful. So another what I'm doing right now is I'm using Vimeo. Okay, so using Vimeo, I upload the videos in my Vimeo account. If I just show you, This is my Vimeo account. It is a paid Vimeo account. Okay, and suppose this is my webinar. So what I do, I just click on. Suppose this is a webinar which I have uploaded in Vimeo account. Okay, and from here what I do, I click here and video file links, and from here I pick this 1080 copy. I just copy from here, and then I put it over here. Okay, so what is the duration of the webinar? Duration of the webinar is 2 hours 15 minutes. So 2 hours 15 minutes, and I suppose 31 seconds. Okay, then basic configuration, webinar name. So you can put training 1 or maybe day 1 of workshop. Okay, so like this is internal, and this here I can upload the poster as well. And then who is the moderator? So this is me by default, but I can change the name of the moderator as well from here. Okay, so save, next. I'm just going to show you some of the important settings, okay, which will blow your mind. Okay, another, now here webinar schedule. So when I want this webinar to be played, I want this webinar to play every day. Example, and what time? Example 8 p.m. Okay, so and it is going to automatically detect the location of the time zone of the person. Okay, so I can click here on add. Enable instant watch replay, which means people, when they open my landing page, they can actually see the instant replay. They can watch it in instantly with the name watch replay now. Okay, which means they will understand that this is a replay of the previously done live event. Okay, allow late attendance. So if I select this, which means suppose the webinar is at 8 p.m. and somebody come into the webinar at 8:01, 8:02, so they can still enter the webinar. Okay, enable just-in-time option. So again, if I want webinar to play every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, every 1 hour, so this also I can enable. So here I can also disable some of the, I can block some of the days like 25th December or 1st of January, 31st December. I want to mark it as holiday, so webinar will not be played on these days. So this facility is also here. Okay, and I want to display only the next immediate available schedule. Okay, so this way, just do the basic settings. I'm doing it little fast, but yes, once you configure your own account using my affiliate link. Okay, again, I suggest you to go to this link, dnaclub.in/webinar jam. Just try this. Okay, I suggest you to try this for 30 days, just $1. Okay, and just play it around. Okay, this is a good tool to learn, and it is really going to give you freedom. Okay, so registration page. Here is a landing page. So, okay, so you can see there are some landing pages already available here, and we can just simply click on customize, and we can simply customize this page. Okay, so even if you're non-techie, still not a problem. Okay, it automatically picks the title of the webinar. I can change this, I can edit this, I can edit all these things, I can edit the photo. So this way it is a very good looking landing page. You can edit all these details. Okay, click on the pencil button, right? So save and exit. So this is a simple, this is how you can create a landing page, opt-in page. Then registration field, I want to capture the phone number as well, so I can click here and enable it. Okay, then free registration. I can also enable email, when they register, immediately this email will be triggered. Okay, and they will receive, once they opt in, once the customer opt in, this email will be automatically triggered with the webinar link. Okay, so this email, event-based emails are also available. Okay, and after the post webinar, I want to add an email. Suppose I want to send an email 2 hours after the event to all those people who attended the webinar. Maybe I want to send email to all those people who registered but they did not attend. Okay, so this kind of filter also we can do. Send this email to those people who attended but left within 30 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. So you can set up this as well. Okay, so this is smart way of following up with the prospect. Okay, now save, next. Let me directly go to the important configurations like this. This one is important, live. Okay, so autoplay, you can enable it or disable it. Okay, so right now I have disabled. Countdown page design. Okay, so which means when it is time to go for the webinar. Okay, so before the webinar, when they open the page, okay, so they can see like this. Okay, the webinar is going to start in next seconds. Okay, so it is going to show the timer. So this also we can configure. Okay, and then live content. Now this is important. Okay, no, not this one, this one, live chat box. So enable live chat, which means people who are going to attend, they can see, they can interact in the live chats. Okay, allow attendees, real attendees, to see each other's chat, yes or no, and save real comments from real attendees. Okay, so real attendees, whenever they say okay, hi, hello, whatever they type in the chat box, it is going to be saved for the next show. So this is amazing feature. Okay, and also from here we can manually add, like suppose I want to add on 10th second, 1 minute 10 second, my name, and then admin. As an admin, I want to say hello all, welcome to the webinar. Okay, so this message will be automatically displayed on the chat message on 1 minute and 10th second. This way I can add multiple messages. If in case you have multiple chat messages, you can actually click on import CSV. So you can use the CSV file as well, and you can import it. Okay, then let's click on save here. Display number of attendees. So as we have to give a feeling of a live webinar here, so there is an option, very good option here, called dynamic simulated number of attendees. So if I put 135 here, so what it will do, it will automatically, when the webinar starts, it is going to show around 120, 125. Dynamically it is going to go till 135, and then slowly by the end of the webinar it will reach around 100. So people can see how many people are attending it, even though only one person is attending it, but they will have a feeling like so many hundreds of people are watching it. Okay, so dynamic attendance is also awesome. Okay, then next. Okay, so webinar replay. So do you want to enable webinar replay? Yes. Okay, and and in the replay, do you want to enable the playback control or not, player control? Okay, do you want them to stop the video, or fast forward or backward to video, or not? So this enable or disable you can do. And also suppose I want to disable, okay, after the webinar, okay, after the webinar, even those people who want to see the replay, I want this replay page to be expired in to expire in 1 day. So accordingly you can put hours here. Okay, replay page expires in 24 hours. Okay, and then enable user to submit questions. So you can put your email ID, which means when they watch the replay and if they interact in the chat box, so you are going to receive these messages in your email ID. So you can put your email ID here. Okay, so simple. Next, and go to the dashboard. So once all the settings are done, this one, okay, so we can simply click on your links, and this is the link of your webinar. Okay, here is the link. So just see, not this one, here it is. Okay, so a simple good looking landing page. Okay, watch yesterday's replay, yes, and also okay, first name, email ID, okay, and then phone number you can put, and then register. Why it is showing only replay, not the 8 p.m. time? The reason is because I have not I selected only show one time. Okay, not I have to select show next to available time slots, then it will show the next time slot as well. Then as a presenter, you can see, I'm not going in detail here, but yes, if I go to analytics, the great thing about this is, if I go to analytics, I can actually see, suppose this is my webinar all time, I can actually see how many visitors were there, how many registrants, and then how many people they attended it live, and how many they attended in replay. Okay, so this kind of statistics also you can get. Very good, cool stats. And also if you go to registrants, okay, and you can actually fetch this entire data. Okay, if I click here all time, I can actually fetch this entire data of all these people who attended my webinar, along with their phone number and email ID. And also I can see the timestamp, okay, when they entered the live room, how much time they spent in the live room. Like this person entered on 3rd minute 21st second and was there in the webinar till 25th minute. So all this timestamp also we can see, like this person 1 hour 35 minute, 1 minute 35th minute second he entered, and he stayed in the webinar till the end. Okay, 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, so all this cool data we can also export it into Excel file, and then accordingly we can do the follow-up manually maybe later on. Okay, so these are the some cool tips about EverWebinar. This is the best tool I have found in terms of automated webinar. Okay, and I strongly suggest you to use this. If in case you have any question related to any tool, okay, so I suggest you can go to dnaclub.in/booktime, and you can book a consultation call with my team. Okay, if in case I mean, you can directly, after watching this demo, you can set it up yourself. Okay, just use my affiliate link and get 30 days trial. Okay, click on the link in the description. But apart from that, if you need any advice, okay, before going ahead, or maybe you are into trial mode and you have some questions, you can book a consultation call with us. Okay, go to dnaclub.in/book time and book a consultation call related to webinars. Okay, so right now we are doing it, this consultation calls are free, but if in case it is too techy and you want my personal time, in that case, we may go for a paid consultation call as well. But yes, I am really fond of tools, and this is the tool I'm using for last 2 years, and this is really awesome. Okay, so I hope you got you found this useful. If in case you have any question, you can put in the comment box, and also subscribe this channel. See you next time. Check out the link in the description. Thank you.